Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I know it has been a long time that I've showed up here. I will tell you the reason of my absence in a bit. But today we are going to set up my 3 planners for the month of June. This is essentially the Neorah Accomplished Daily Duo Planner. This is my journal. The Good Life Planner from Ink Bucket is my weekly reflections sort of a journal. And the Neorah Weekly Planner is my work planner. So I will set up this three. Like always, I would like to start with my Neorah planner. This is my work planner, so this becomes extremely important for me to set up no matter what. I'm still using the Neorah cover, which is absolutely new, surprisingly, for me. But again, I'm not complaining. The quality that Neorah gives is brilliant. So let's start. You guys have seen me set up the month of May, and now I'm going to set up the month of June. For this, generally for my work planner, I keep it very professional and simple. So this time around, instead of using the large kits from Sassy Planner Nerd, I'm just going to use one of these really tiny mini kits from them, and this is how I'm going to set up this particular page. So let's get started. Like always, first I would like to have my washi tapes sorted. And this is, I think, I Love Books or some other kit that they're having. I will write the kit's name in the description box below. And at the start of here, since I don't use weekends, I'm okay to have more washi tapes here. So here also this looks really nice. In the last month, I realized that putting a recurring meeting list here is always useful. So let me bring out the list. So I have these two. I think the green one will go better with this kit. So I'm going to use this and put it in this section. And now, as I do always, I will put up a things to do list. So instead of using a large things to do list, I'm just going to use this one. And at this point, I don't really use trackers here, so I don't use that. And then the next step is to use these boxes. One thing that I absolutely love about Neorah's books is you can actually stick stickers right in the spine of the page and it does not go bad, which I'm really happy for. So I think that's it. I don't have any other fancy boxes. I'm just going to take this small planner which says 2022 on it right here. And I'm going to mark my busy days. I know there are going to be a few busy days in the month, which I'm going to mark as a list. I have to pay my credit card bill on the 1st, so that goes here. I don't have too many busy days in June. I'm not sure if June is going to be a lighter month for me, but certainly I have nothing too much planned for this month. I also wanted to discuss where I was so far. I'm really sorry that I've missed quite a few uploads this month, but my health is still not doing that well, to be honest. There are some post-surgery complications that I'm still dealing with, and I'm hoping to get better each day, but because of so much medication, I'm just fatigued all the time. And somebody who's taking heavy antibiotics, they would relate that most of the days are super fatigued, if not anything else. So with a lot of work and a lot of fatigue, I have not been my productive self, but I'm giving myself way and I'm not taking it too seriously on myself. So I should get some amount of leeway there, at least mentally in my head, and that is the reason I'm not complaining. I think that is it. This month I will keep this kit handy. I don't have too much planned, as I've said. These are the only days I know, 4 or 5 days that I have meetings, or 2 or 3 days which are busy. So I've just marked them. I will keep this kit with me in my planner, so whenever I need a box or anything of that sort, I can pick up and use them. So that is it. This was a very quick setup. So for a few people asking, where do I keep these kits? These mini kits are really easy to keep, which I just keep it here, and it peeks out slightly. And I do have some motivation card here always. These are the Universe Speak to Me cards from 2022 Tall Elephant Planner. So this is just some reminder that I need to keep me happy. So this month I've selected kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. I am almost in two minds of not cutting down these two strings. I don't use them. It is very easy. If you use Neorah books enough, you know that it is very easy to reach the page that is currently in use, because the page gets used here. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it. This is halfway through. These are the pages that I have used so far, and these are absolute fresh pages. So that is the reason mostly I don't need it, and it's every month is just the first few pages. So this also I reach pretty quickly. So I don't need bookmarks as of yet. And these satin ribbons are really good quality. I'm not complaining, but at this point I don't feel the need of using them. So this is all that I have for my work planner. I have something really exciting planned for my Good Life planner. So I'm not sure, you guys know, the month of June is the Pride month, and I want to celebrate the Pride month in this planner. Like always, I would like to show you how my month was. So my trackers have been going well. April month was really bad for my trackers, but May I'm back. My trackers are doing pretty well. In terms of updating the planner, I think May month I have been super consistent. If you see, I have not decorated it. So this is something that I was just journaling through because of my pain. So that is the reason this is just a journal. I journaled it in another book, and I have just tore the pages and put it here. These are my weekly checkbacks. Again, here also I'm back to journaling. So you saw in the last months that I used to use this page generally for art spreads, but I don't have the time, neither the energy to actually do art spreads. So I'm just writing in whatever book that there is and then coming here and sticking it. I'm using notepads, notebook, whatever is handy and available at the time that I feel like journaling. But weekly check-ins have been consistent, and I'm really happy. It is keeping me somewhere sane, to be honest. And this is yeah, as you can see, I'm not decorating this, but I have been absolutely consistent, and I'm really happy to be there. So this is how consistent I have been, and I'm absolutely happy on how this has turned out. Now going back to June, as I said, I want to celebrate the Pride month, and for that I'm choosing the Tall Elephant sticker book. This is the 2023 sticker book. I did not get their planners, but I definitely got their sticker book. So this is one of the sticker books, and I absolutely love this particular page, and I barely write anything on this, so I will take the opportunity and decorate the hell out of this. So by the time I'm decorating this, I really want to speak to you all. See, the ink bucket book is not that great. I almost tore this page here, but I'm not complaining. There is one more confession that I would like to make. Is I was so miserable with my health, and I was continuously on bed rest. If not bed rest, I was working on and off. There was a lot of mobility that I was strained. Any little bit of more strain that I took, I used to feel extremely exhausted. So in that, I put a very big hole in my pocket. I went to the Happy Planner website and ordered ridiculous amount of stickers. I'm not very proud of it, but I don't regret it. I was feeling what I was feeling, and I just went ahead and did what felt right in the moment. So that is that. Having said that, now I'm super nervous. Not of the money spent, but I have opted for international shipping, and since I think 3 or 4 days, it is just showing that it has been shipped and no other update. So I'm assuming the time that it is on the ship or wherever, however transport modes that they've used, it will not be available for me to track. And when I said that I've spent shitload of money, it is actually shitload of money. That is the maximum that I've spent in one go for anything. So I'm very, very I will not say anxious, but I'm very, very concerned on what would happen. But let's hope for the best. And at this point, all my positive energy is gone in a way that I can't think of it to be positive. I'm very scared that it'll get lost, my money will be wasted, and all those thoughts that you get is there. But having said that, the exciting part is, if it reaches me anytime soon, you guys are in for a treat. I will do definitely an unboxing as soon as we get that. Then you guys will know if it is any worth to buy and pay shipping. I think I paid shipping of 3,000 odd rupees, which was insane. But they were running a good sale, and that is the logic it made. So yeah, this is it. This is all that I want to decorate, and I absolutely love this. This is such a nice page that it turned out. I was not paying attention, I was talking to you guys, but I'm really happy that this turned out the way it did. So this is how I will decorate this particular planner. My next up is definitely to decorate my journal. As always, I would like to show what I have done in my journal for the month of May. So as you can see, I was consistent. I started using stickers, but overall, I haven't really used a lot of stickers. These were 4-5 days that I have not journaled. But I'm really, really happy that in the past 15 days or so, as you can see, I have taken up to journaling. Today is the 28th, so today's journaling will happen today. Day before yesterday, I missed it. This is the flower that my son made for me out of brush strokes, which he was really proud of. He learned a new technique. So I've just stuck this here. But this month, what I have decided is that I am going to pre-decorate this journal, so that when I'm writing, there is some kind of motivation to open the journal and see what's there in store for me. I will hopefully do it today. Again, it absolutely depends on how much energy do I have to film and to do so much of decorations. So that is the reason I'm not too sure, but my intentions are fully of the view that I will pre-decorate this month, so that I have the excitement to open my journal and write my heart out, and it has helped me more often than not. So that is my chatty self. For this, what I have decided is to use one of the journaling kits that I'd ordered. I'm sure I've done a haul on that. They had this Artic sort of a kit, which I absolutely loved, and I didn't know. I thought of using it at some point in the colder months, but then I was like, what the heck, I actually loved it and I want to use it. The months really don't matter, so I'm just going to use these really pretty stickers. So I'm just going to use all the blue tones, so I'm eliminating all these grayer tones. Even this one's gray, so I think I'm going to use these stickers at this point on this. So a lot of you actually reached out to me on Instagram and asked me what happened. Why did I did my May setup and again went back. So my surgery, there were a lot of post-surgery issues in terms of stitches and all that. I will not want to go into details of exactly what, but just to let you know, the surgery was successful. It was just the wounds that got bad. And then in May, I really had a bad back. It was nothing, I think, I hope, I don't know. There were a lot of tests that were done, but nothing substantial came up except a little bit of inflammation on my back. So only thing that I need to do is now to be very careful. And I was eating medication for two things. One is my post-surgery complications, and for my back. So the amount of medication that I was eating was insane, and that led to a lot of fatigue. And that is the reason I was absolutely in no motivation either to do a lot of planning, actually in no motivation and do a lot of playing with stickers, etc. But having said that, I have enjoyed all my planners this month, which makes me extremely happy. Stickers or no stickers, what this year has actually taught me is stickers are not primary to my planning process, they are secondary. I need my journals, I need my planners just to keep me sane, and fortunately they have been doing that for me this month. So I'm really happy. Sorry, I was just feeling these three circles would look really nice here. And generally I don't do too much of planning here because I write extensively on this. I won't mind actually putting up this whale. I really like this whale here, but then it'll possibly look too cluttered. Oh, what the heck. If I like this sticker, I should just use it. It doesn't look half as bad. So as I said, I don't stick too many stickers here because I use each and every day extensively to write how was my day. As you can see here, a lot of days I've missed writing here, but having said that, I have been consistent and I'm really proud of myself for that. So that is it. This is what I intended to do while I set up. So this is my journal. I'll go back to all the three setups and show you. This is my work planner, and this is the setup for my ink bucket planner. This month definitely this has been my favorite. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for sticking to the channel. I'm absolutely grateful of you guys. Thank you for everyone who was checking up on me. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing. Have a nice day. Bye now.